So I'm going to show you how to take all the data that you might have from all of your classes and organize them by different periods. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go over to the plus sign and create another sheet. I'm going to call this one filter. Once I have that filter set up, I'm going to go over to probably like about here, but you can put this anywhere you would want. And I'm going to go ahead and go to data. I'm going to click data validation and list of items. Right here, I'm going to click what I want this cell to filter. So I want it to filter by periods. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy. I've got period 1, I've got period 2, and make sure it is exactly the same. Period 3, we got period 5, and we've got period 7. Okay, make sure you put commas also. Once you're done, you're going to hit save. I'm going to go back to my filter, and now you can see I have a nice drop down. Okay, I might add, just so I know, or if somebody else is looking at this, they'll know what class I might be looking at. Okay. The next thing you're going to do is take your front row, which would have all the questions, so it makes it a little bit easy to look at, and you're going to add that to row 2. Okay, so I've got all of the same questions. Now we're going to add a formula. So we're going to go ahead and do equal filter. We're going to filter 2020, this whole tab. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that whole tab. Once you've got the whole tab, we're going to do a comma. We're filtering by F. And see how it says it has to be equal to F, so that is correct. And then we want period 1. So whenever it sees period 1, we want it to get that. So C1. And then I did make an error, so I'm going to look to see what I did wrong. And we want that equal sign. There we go. And then if I go to period 2, it's going to filter periods 2 information. Okay, so it can be super helpful when you're looking at data from multiple classes. It also will update as kids are taking the assessment. So your scores will be able to come right in. So again, in the first box where you want your answers to start, equals filter, you want this whole tab. You're going to click the whole tab. Once you've got the whole tab, you want it to equal the 2020 F to F, and then whatever C1 says. Okay, if you need help, let me know.